Attorney-at-law Nandlall, the lawyer representing Christopher Ram, who filed a motion in the High Court to have the current house-to-house registration drive be brought to a halt, expressed disappointment at the decision of Chief Justice Roxanne George Wiltshire to rule against the application. A seemingly disappointed Nandlall outside the courtroom opined that the Chief Justice had the authority to stop the registration drive in addition to setting a date for elections. Nandlall told reporters that constitutionally there should not be an open date for elections and as such described the decision of the Chief Justice as unjust. Nandlall further stated that in his view, the ruling is not a loss for his team.
I was not defeated. One of the main purposes of the institution of these proceedings was to get the house-to-house registration process reviewed by the court because of the unconstitutionality that it would inevitably result in. And that fundamental point was upheld by the court.
The former Attorney General then announced that his client intends to appeal the decision of the Chief Justice. He registered the view that the Chief Justice in her ruling stated that there was other options which GCOM can use to register eligible voters.
The court endorsed our argument that the list can be refreshed with a suitable claims and objection period. So the ball is now in GCOM's court to determine which one of the two courses it will choose. One obviously will lead to unconstitutionality, as the Chief Justice pointed out. Obviously, we will appeal because we do not agree that no time frame has been fixed. It cannot be.
Meanwhile, Attorney General Basil Williams endorsed the decision of the learned Chief Justice while stating that the position of the Chief Justice not to set a date for elections was the exact position taken by the CCJ.
Generally, there was nothing that was asked for by the applicant that was successful by the court. So we'll have to study this I would say a kind of per curiam ruling by the knowledge judge on an issue that was not asked for by the applicant, and we never really had the opportunity to fully do that.
The AG further noted to reporters that importantly, overseas voting had been abolished in Ghana under Article 159(2)(c). The qualification of residency was an additional verification requirement.
That's the only way you could locate someone for voting. Otherwise, it would mean then you're on the list. Residence is not important. Where do you vote? You have no way to vote.
At the last place you registered.
How could you be? You would not be there.
That's essentially what you said.
No, but how would you? There wouldn't be a situation of your last place where you registered when people overseas.
Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.